If I was starting out and I was going to invest in planes, hand planes, there's 3 I would suggest you get for the first time. One is most definitely a smoothing plane such as the Stanley number 4. Yeah, that's in the case, this is a Stanley Bailey, this one, but Stanley number 4. I would then get something like bare minimum the jack plane, which is the number 5. It's a lovely little thing. Yeah. It's a lot narrower, remember, as well. So if you're a travelling woodworker, you might find this more useful to you. So I'd get a 4, a 5 or bigger. If you can go for the 7, get the 7. Otherwise get a 6 or a 5. And my last option regarding the 3 tools would definitely be a low angle block plane. I wouldn't worry about a normal block plane, get a low angle block plane such as this little record or the Stanley. I got the wrong way around. This record or this Stanley. They're both great tools. One's in this case is bigger than the other, but if you look, there's a number. There's a code on every plane you buy. There'll be a code on it, and that code represents the model number. In this case, this one is it's not always that easy to see. This is a number 9. Yeah, this is number 9 block plane, or 9.5. That's a good all-rounder. Okay. Now the beauty about this type of block plane, a low angle block plane, as you can see, in comparison to say the Stanley smoothing plane, the angle of your plane iron is a lot shallower. You can see that there. So you get less tear out. Now where that is good is if you're doing any end grain planing or any timbers that got a lot of short grain coming out. Because it's very low, you can get a very, very clean finish or something like this on end grain. You still got to be careful of where you take your last stroke. If you're planing the end of a board, for instance, this piece of wood, obviously the grain's going that way, that's the end grain. If you're planing that way, for instance, you still got to be careful, and ideally you want a bit of scrap waste level with the top edge, and then you clamp it in your vice or whatever you're using, and then effectively that becomes your sacrificial piece of wood that you put on here. It could be, you know, a little bit of pine on the end here on this pine board. That's my favourite though. Yeah, thank you for watching. Thumbs up, comment below, any questions, yeah, you know, but be nice. Thank you for watching.